Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video and another Coca-Cola thanks to Quick Trip at Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. As you can see, I have made my way back to the furthest part of the lot. This is a gigantic lot. They even have semis here, trucks, cherry pickers. They got all kinds of stuff here. I'm not looking for anything humongous. I'm looking for a car or a truck or an SUV. Maybe we'll find something for you. We're gonna wander around and just kind of see what they've got because, like I say, they have a little bit of everything. And first up, check her out. There you go, 2004 BMW Z4 or Z4 if you are across the pond. This is the 2.5 version right here in black over black over black. This is gorgeous. It really is. It's a beautiful little car. My sister had one of these and absolutely loved it. She really did. And I loved it too when she let me drive it. Here's your issue. It's not major. Really, get a fender. That's all it is. Or if you're good, just reach in here. See, you can make it. If I was stronger, I could pop that out myself and save the next buyer some money. Pop it out, bang it out, a little dent right here too, and you're good to go. Get the little insert piece and you'd be great. If you can do PDR, this is the car for you. Or if you know someone who can do painless dent removal, this is the car for you. So what you need is this little piece right here that kind of lights up and the circular right there. Easy fix. Convertible top is in really good condition. There's no wear. The back glass is still fine. Is this an old Harley Davidson sticker right there? Yeah, this top is in really good shape. Just needs to be cleaned. Absolutely. Oh my. Okay. Well, let's see what she's like on the inside. We might even have power because I thought the window went down for just a second. Here you go. Black interior, plasticky dash. Oh, it's a fun driving position in this car too. Really is. Let's put that back up. Here we go. We do have a key, which is fantastic. So this car is now 20 years old. Gimme. She sounds all right. 161,000 miles. 75 degrees today. Oh man, I like this. But like I said, plasticky, you could change that out. All this stuff you could change out. Here's your top buttons right here. Turn on the AC. Open them up. Switch this around. Switch this around. Hopefully the air starts to come out. What's wrong? Air's coming out of here, not here. Are the blend doors an issue with this? Maybe it's just this. It's not even blowing towards the floor now. Yeah, this isn't changing anything. Hopefully that's just an easy fix. Your cup holder's not working. Let's see if the windows work. Here we go. Yep. And yes, sir. Nice. Okay, let's see if this little straight six is sounding good, feeling good, looking good. We'll open the trunk. And here it is. There's your hood. Let's just kind of see what it's looking like underneath. Have a tank of gas, and like I said, 161,000 miles. I like this. It's a little easier to get out of than some of the smaller sports cars. My little midget is almost impossible to get out of these days. Here you go, a little bitty trunk. You get a steering wheel cover. What's under here? Here you go. There's your battery. 7 of 19. Really? And it still works. Well, that's good to know. Thank you, Superstart. Okay. Close this up. This paint is immaculate. I mean, I can just tell. I mean, it is dusty. But clean it up, wash it, make a huge difference. And that is an easy, easy fix. How much you think this is going to go for? Where's the... Here it is. Here you go. And there she is. Nice. See, with this engine, you do get some room to work on her if you need it. This is just free space. I guess maybe a battery went here back in the day. I don't know. Look how smooth the engine is running. There's your one of your oxygen sensors right there. She's solid as a rock. She really is. I don't see leaks. I don't see any puffs of smoke or anything. I don't smell anything weird. Coolant, green coolant. She sounds great. This would be a great car to buy. Oh my, what do you think about this? Whoa, good stuff. There's a little bit of tread. Century Touring. Okay. So the tires match. Well, look at the wheels. That's nice. All right, let me know what you think about this car. I am going to put this on my list. But if this is something you're interested in, check it out right here in Tulsa Town at the Copart. Directly across from the black BMW two-seater, we have, from the same year, the Mazda MX-5 or the Mazda Miata. Back then, they still called it the Miata MX-5. Later, they dropped the Miata, and it became just the MX-5. But this is a good-looking car, too. Okay, this has... what kind of tires are these? Outlander? Okay. There's a lot of tread on these tires. Body damage? Nope, 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 nope. Hopefully this will clean up. It looks like it's starting to lose some of its color right there. Oh, here's your damage. So she was hit a little harder than the BMW. And I don't think this is even going to open. Oh, it will. Okay, so you can still get in and out. It's an automatic, like the BMW. Okay, the door kind of closes. This is big. This is why she's here. This and this and this. So you need a door, you need some quarter panel work, and all underneath that is going to need to be fixed. Let's see what we have on the inside. This is not a fabric top. This is the vinyl top, so it's not as nice. I mean, this wasn't in the same price point as the BMW, but it competed with it, especially like on the track and everything. Okay, this isn't bad. You've got the white face gauges. Here's an oil sticker from Jiffy Lube again, 192. All right, we are ready to turn the key. We're getting a beeping. That's a good sound. And she's alive. Look at that. Okay, 190,820 miles. Full tank of gas. I don't think they're gonna have anything on the radio. Yeah, that got reset. Air conditioning. Look at the teeny tiny little vents. Absolutely. I've always wanted a Miata. I don't know why. Doesn't seem to be too cold. Here we go. Did you hear it? So the compressor kicked in. And we're getting cold air. All right, that's huge. Very, very nice. We have a window that goes up and down. Two windows that go up and down. Very nice. Let's take a look at the engine. Here you go. Double overhead cam. 4-cylinder, great reputation. These are fun little cars, and she's steady. Okay, do you hear it cycle? Yeah. Coolant looks a little dark. Maybe it's just blue. Brake fluid looks good. Washer fluid looks good. I think she was maintained. I think she was. This would be so easy to work on. Absolutely. Will the damage prevent people from buying her? I mean, that's pretty extensive. You need a door. It's just that quarter panel right there. The rear wheel, you're going to need some parts for it, but I think the wheel itself is okay. The tire looks okay. It's still holding air. But that's a lot to ask of a car from 20 years ago. So the question is, who'd you rather? The Black Beauty over there with an easy fix, or this Red Robin car right here with 2.5 hearts? I don't know. I really don't know, but this is fun. This is a fun little car. Leave me a comment and let me know. And the final contender in our 2-seat competition, well, is a 4-seater. I'm doing this because I've had several of these, and this is actually on my watch list. 1, it's an easy fix. 2, it's in, what is it, the E43? Is that what they are? I forgot. But the 325 Ci, 330 Ci are amazing cars. They are so nice. This is in blue. This is the 325, so it's a smaller engine. It looks like a little scratching. No, that'll come out. Look at the top, the blue, the navy blue top is in great condition. These are great cars. You have to watch out for some of the strut mounts, shock mounts. Other than that, excuse me, that'll come out. They're beautiful. This one, I think, if I remember right, has a lot of miles on it. But that's okay. Miles don't scare me, obviously. Okay, on the inside, she's dirty. This seat is a little worn right along through here. Let's just kind of sit down inside. Oh, it's a little driver. This is a little person. I like the little stack here. The radio always seems to work. The transmissions are pretty good in this car. You get an extra key right here with this one. They haven't even included this in their little zip tie thing. Nice. Let's take a look at the engine. Hopefully we'll have access to what we need access to so we can start her. Let's just kind of see what's like under here. Thank you for coming out and lifting the hood. Here it is. Nice. Okay, these are good little engines. Kind of tough to reach the back part of them though. How many of these things have I had? I've had a 4-door, I've had 2 or 3 of the convertibles, and I've always liked them. I really have. I've always liked them. So what we're gonna do, let's take a look at the trunk and see if we can give her a start. If not, we have a little access point right there. So I'll put this down. We'll take the extra key and we'll look at the trunk. This key was not attached, as I said. But that hurts. That hurts your rear end as you try to sit down. But all you do is find another seat. These are everywhere. They really are. Here we go. Ay. Look at that. You sit up here, you'll grab there. You have your spare tire. You have your little battery right here, and I'll be back. We're ready. I think something's gonna happen now. I really do. Ooh, that seat bolster will get you right in between the cheeks, if you know what I'm talking about. Here we go. Give me a beat, little girl. Come on. See? She sounds good. 190,000 miles. See, I told you I thought she had a lot of miles on her. I don't think I've had a BMW with that many miles. This seat is tilted way back. Way back. Okay? We do have a service engine soon light, which is all right. Windows? Yeah, of course they're going to work. Yeah, lovely. Lovely jubbly. All of them work. I bet the top even works great too. Yeah, let's take a look at the engine, see what's going on up there. There it is. Solid as can be. This needs to be up here, kind of out of the way. I'm not going to reach down there and do that. We do have washer fluid. Here's your coolant, and it looks like it has been replaced, because this is your weak point of the BMWs of this era. They always go bad, so you have to replace them, and they always use these little clips right here, which are so much fun to work with. And it's a very compact area, but this is great. This is perfect. All you need is a bumper. Seriously, all you need for this is a bumper. She's gorgeous. She would be beautiful. Get a bumper, get a driver's seat, clean her up, wash her, wax her, and enjoy her for many, 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 many years to come. I hope this isn't too low. That one's about the same height. Okay, that's okay. These are sporty little fun cars. I don't know. So many cars. So many cars I've had that I'd love to have again, just different versions. I mean, the 330 was nice. It's a little peppier, a little faster. This is the smaller engine, but that's okay. No worries. Okay, so we're doing some recharging right now of the battery. Let her kind of charge herself up a little bit. I don't know why the check engine, service engine soon light is on. Probably an O2 sensor with 190,000 miles. Other than that, you might need, if I'm being really, really picky, you might need an engine mount or two. She goes into reverse, she goes into drive, which is fantastic. So let's see what the person listened to. Even an Iron Man. See, pretty good radio. And air conditioning. It's cold. It is. It's really cold. So of the three kind of two-seaters, even though this one has 4 seats, let me know which one you would prefer. That BMW is very nice. This would be very inexpensive, and you could, you know, take 4 of your friends with you if you wanted to go somewhere. There's no bids on this car yet, so I'm going to watch this one. Absolutely. Anyway, let me know what you think about the 3 cars. Let me know what you think about the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And of course, like I always say, hug those kids if you got them. I miss mine each and every day, and you only get 18 summers with them. 18, and then they fly away. Okay? Have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.